wondered what you need to kickstart your journey in the world of trading? Today we dive into the basic necessities one needs to venture into this domain. First up on our list is knowledge and education. The cornerstone of any successful trading endeavor is a solid foundation in understanding the basic concepts, technical analysis, and market trends of the trading platform or stock market you're interested in. Output. Secondly, understanding risk management is pivotal. Every trade carries with it a certain level of risk. Therefore, understanding risk management strategies to protect your capital is a must. Thirdly, having a well-defined trading plan is essential for success in trading. This includes defining your entry points, exit points, stop-loss levels, and profit targets. The fourth point on our list is discipline and patience. Success in trading requires a level of discipline and patience that ensures you never make impulsive decisions and only trade after fully understanding the market. Lastly, using technical tools is a vital part of trading. By utilizing things like candlestick patterns, moving averages, and other technical indicators, you can gain a better understanding of market trends. In summary, these are the basic needs any trader should understand to achieve success in trading: knowledge and education, risk management, a sound trading plan, discipline and patience, and the use of technical tools. Keep these needs in mind, and you could find great success in your trading endeavors. And as we wrap up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos on trading and finance. Thank you for tuning in.